Madami nga ako investment, kaso what if tumama ang asteroid by 2032? Di wala rin. Well, just in case matamaan tayo ng asteroid by 2032, then technically it is the end of the world. Pero what if naman kung hindi? Minsan kasi itong mga comments na ganito, ito yung mga justification ng mga tao para hindi sila mag-invest. Tanggalin siguro natin yung mindset na ganun. Hindi ko naman sinasabi na lahat ng pera na kinikita natin ay i-invest natin, because that's also a wrong thing. You also have to enjoy your life. Kaya nga, paulit-ulit ko na sinasabi na dapat meron tayong essential expenses, emergency account, investment account, at saka desires account. Regardless if bad things happen in your life or matamaan ba tayo ng asteroid by 2032, or kung hindi man, at least we are also prepared for our future. That's the purpose of the investment account. And kung tatamaan rin talaga tayo ng asteroid by 2032, meron tayong desire account that we are enjoying today. Para sa'yo, ano ba ang purpose ng investment kung tatamaan rin naman tayo ng asteroid by 2032? Share mo daw sa comment section.